If you can tell, I'm a little stuffed up and I caught the flu. We had planned on posting this a while ago, but I forgot about it up until I got sick and thought, hey, I think some people could get some use out of this. So this article gives you some tips on how to clean your home to best prevent the flu virus. Here are my quick tips. The first tip isn't even cleaning related. Just get your flu shot. Run down to King Soopers, Walmart, your PCP. Takes 15 minutes. Get it, it's usually free, and that's gonna help you out way more than any cleaning tip. But hey, the flu virus is tricky. Some folks in your home may still end up catching it. And if they do, it's not difficult to disinfect. Aim for high-touch areas like light switches, doorknobs, and your countertop. When you're disinfecting, remember about dwelling time. You don't just spray the cleaning solution on there and wipe it off and then you're done. You actually have to let this stuff sit anywhere from 30 seconds to 1 minute. Next, as difficult as it is, try and isolate as much as you can. Also, be sure the isolation area is nice and clean with some new linens. Make sure they stay well hydrated with some good soups. I love Chicken and Stars. I don't even mind getting the flu sometimes. I love it so much. And then some liquids like some Gatorade, Powerade, or Pedialyte for the electrolytes. And be sure to let them rest well for a couple of days. Once they're healed up and feeling good, it's time for the after flu cleaning. What you'll want to do there is make sure, again, hit those high touch areas that we had talked about earlier. And in the room they were staying in, rip off all the linens, take the sheets off, the covers, the pillowcases, and then give the room a really good vacuuming. I've personally seen people ignore the linens. Definitely don't do that, because anyone else that might run through there, you got some kids that jump on the bed, they can get the flu virus after that, and then the cycle continues in your home. And that wraps up Company Clean's quick tips for cleaning with the flu virus. Check out the article for much more detailed information, and check back next week to see what else we got. Take care.